What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tauheedah Hawkins here. Guys, for today's video, we are going to be getting into an immunity boosting juice. I think you're going to love this one. So let's go ahead, let's get into these ingredients, let's get into the benefits, and let's juice. Red peppers have a tremendous amount of water content, which allows for oxygen, nutrients, and even waste to move throughout the body freely. Also, red peppers contain vitamin E, which is really responsible for maintaining a healthy immune system. Ginger, my favorite ingredient of all time, pretty much fights off anything toxic, harmful, or problematic for the body, which ultimately leads to a stronger, boosted immune system. Lastly, oranges contain vitamin C, which help fight cell damage from your common cold to even your more complex ailments. Compounds hesperidin and orange play a major role as anti-inflammatory responses by way of easing discomfort and or pain. Time to get into this taste test. Let's get into it. The immunity booster. That is so delicious. Guys, keep this one on standby if you're not feeling like yourself or if you're under the weather. It's really that good and it'll help you out.